कुछ भी नहीं, जितना जल्दी उतना अच्छा। आज नहीं तो कल, फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरे हिसाब से।
These are 5 important English phrases we use almost every day, but most people don't even realize it. Let's see how naturally they fit into a real life conversation. Hey Ria, have you seen that new cafe in the market? No, not yet. Let's go today. As far as I am concerned, we should finish our classwork first. Yeah, but we can still make it if we leave early. You seem so excited about the cafe. Of course, their coffee is quite famous. Fine, but if homework is incomplete, Miss Sharma will scold us. Then the sooner the better. Alright, I will finish my math work and I will do the English assignment. By the way, did you talk to Aisha? No, she told me nothing at all. She seemed upset yesterday. No idea why, but she'll be fine. Talk to her today. If not today, then tomorrow. Your tomorrow never comes. Haha, I'll actually do it this time. And what if she doesn't talk to you? It doesn't matter. At least I'll have tried. Wow, you have become quite the philosopher. Life teaches you, Sia. Anyway, let's go for coffee now. Done with your homework? Almost. Just one question left. I'll pack my bags meanwhile. Everything got done on time. That's a miracle. See, I told you. The sooner, the better. Let's go the cafe now. And I don't want to hear anything at all.
If you enjoyed this short conversation and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such English lessons.
And if you want to master 250 daily use English sentences, check out my special video. It will make your spoken English sound completely natural.